Welcome to the future of fleet management in the transportation sector. Imagine a world where every vehicle is optimized for peak performance and every journey is as efficient as possible. Our advanced fleet management solution leverages state-of-the-art technology to ensure your fleet operates smoothly and effectively. With real-time data and analytics, you can monitor vehicle locations, preventive maintenance alerts, help you address issues before they become costly problems, reducing downtime and extending the lifespan of your fleet. Our route optimization tools ensure your vehicles take the most efficient paths, saving time and reducing fuel costs. Detailed performance reports provide insights into driver behavior, fuel efficiency, and overall fleet performance, empowering you to make data-driven decisions. Whether you manage a fleet of trucks, buses, or delivery vans, our solution is tailored to meet the unique needs of your transportation business. Optimize your fleet, enhance efficiency, and drive your business forward with our comprehensive fleet management solution. Contact us today to learn more.